Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 2. Quarantine measures in agriculture are aimed at A. Regulating cost of importation of crops and animals, B. Preventing the introduction of pests and diseases, C. Maintaining genetic purity of crops and animals, D. Introducing new varieties of crops and breeds of animals. So the concept we are looking here is quarantine. And we are asked what is the major aim of quarantine measures in agriculture. Now, quarantine as it relates to agriculture is the separation and restriction of movement of plants and animals with the intent of preventing the spread of pests and diseases. So that is what quarantine is all about. Now, in this definition we have also given the major aim of quarantine, and as we stated here in the definition, it is done with the intent or with the aim of preventing the spread of pests and diseases. So that is option B, preventing the introduction of pests and diseases. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.